In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. To begin, open Notion and create a new page. Starting with a fresh page makes it easy to see what the AI is generating, and it helps you keep your notes organized as you test different prompts. Once your new page is open, click into the main writing area so your cursor is active and you can start typing normally. Next, click and drag to highlight the text area where you want to work, then type directly in that highlighted space. This is a simple way to start giving Notion context, even if you only write a short line or a rough idea. The clearer your initial text is, the better the AI output tends to be, so include a few keywords that describe what you want, such as the topic, the tone, and the format. After you have typed your starting text, look for the suggested option and click it. Suggested is helpful because it surfaces common AI actions that match what you are working on, like drafting, rewriting, or expanding ideas. Choosing a suggestion saves time and keeps you moving, especially when you are learning the tool. From there, click into the field that says Write Anything. This is where you give the AI a direct instruction. In this box, type your prompt in the highlighted area, use clear, specific language, and keep your request focused. For example, instead of asking for something broad, specify exactly what you want the AI to produce based on your text, such as a short summary, a cleaner rewrite, or a more detailed version of your notes. If you want a certain style, such as professional or simple and friendly, include that in the prompt as well. Once you have entered your instruction, let Notion AI generate the result. Take a moment to read through what it produces and make sure it matches your intent and your voice. When you are happy with the output, click Accept. This inserts the AI-generated text into your page so you can continue editing it like any other Notion content. As a final tip, treat AI output as a first draft. You can refine wording, add details, and adjust formatting to fit your page. That covers everything you need to know.